Hi everyone, I'm Dr. S. Samudha, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we will say about the topic Programming in C in Array. Array is a collection of data items with similar data types. The size of the array, it is represented by the length of the array. The array, the data type is represented in primary data types like integer, float, character. User-defined data types is also possible to specify in array, such as structure pointers also stored in array. For example, int my numbers square bracket equal to within a curly braces initialize a values. The square bracket represent a index number, each index number pointing to a values. Accessing the elements of an array. The access of an element in an array using an index number. The index number starting with 0. The 0 is represented inside a square bracket, the first element. The second element is 1. The starting index number, it's begin with 0. For example, my numbers 0. It is pointing to a first element in a my number array. Change an array element. To change the value of a specific element in an array variable. With help of your index number to change the array element values. For example, my numbers square bracket 0 equal to 33. We already initialized the value 0. Now we change the first index to 33. Array concept using a loop. If that one-dimensional array using a loop statement. With the help of a loop statement to get an input from the user or display the array element values using a loop statement. For example, int my numbers empty square bracket equal to within a curly braces 25, 50, 75, 100. Now 4 values initialized to my numbers array. Now the array size is 4. The index number is 0 to n minus 1. Now it's n minus 1 means 4 element. Now 0 to 3 is the index number. Now declaring a I variable for using a for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Inside a for loop to display of array element through for loop. I equal to 0. Once initializing a value, my number of 0, it's referring the first element 25. Now your first print, the output is 25. Increment I value 1. Check the condition 1 less than 4 condition is true. Now my number of 1. Now display 50 second element. The next increment your I value, check the condition, display the third values 75. Next increment a value, print a output that is 100. Now with the loop, with the help of a loop statement, that is for loop statement, to display a array element on a screen. Set a array size. The previous example, dynamic array initialization with based on that value to create a size of the array. Now it is possible to set a size at the time of declaration. Example, int my number square bracket 4. Now the declaration time itself specify the array size is 4. Now the integer data type size is 2 byte. Now here memory size, the size is 4. Now 2 into 4, totally 8 bytes is allocated. My number of 0 equal to 25, my number of 1. It is individually to assign values to the array. Thank you.